Alright, welcome in my stock market bulls and bears. I am your host Terry Z, and welcome to my channel, Buying the Dip. Alright, let's get into today's video. If you saw by the thumbnail, it's where we made 227% roughly on my first ever options trading. So I'm going to get in here and show you what it was. Wasn't a lot of money. I did some practice and it's my first ever options trading without doing the actual selling of the call and put. This is where I actually bought a put. So as you can see, here is my contract where I bought the put for $11. So I paid $11 for this contract. I bought a GE put, General Electric put, for $6.5, and it was expiring today. As you can see, I did this contract on July 28th around 3:45. So I had the GE stock pulled up here, and as you can see here, on July 28th at 4 p.m., the stock was at $6.89. And I was like, let's just go in here. I have a feeling something's coming. I feel like the bears are coming into the market. The market was just going too good. So let's get a little bearish and bet on the bears on this. So I did an $11 gamble. Let's see how it paid off. So here, like I said, you can see July 28th at 4 p.m. the stock was $6.89. Now I wish I would have waited to the end of the close of the contract, so I would have made even more money. But let's get in here to what I did. So if we go up here to when I sold it, here's where I sold the contract, and I actually submitted it at the end of the business day, July 30th, and they filled it at 9:30 a.m. this morning. So let's look at where GE was, and as you can see, they sold it at 25 cents, which gave me a credit of $25. So I profited. If you take $25 divided by $11, that's a 227% gain. So I know it was only a $14 gain, but still it is gains for a first ever options contract. So I'll take that. Let me go back here and refresh this. So as you can see, this was filled on July 31st at 9:30. Let's see where the stock was at that time. So here you can see it was $6.89 roughly, and then it was sold July 31st around 9:30. It was $6.25. And as you can see, right when my contract sold, because I had a feeling that the market might have got a little bullish, because as you can see, the market dropped pretty good. I mean, you can see from $6.25 the whole way up to here, man, that's a nice steep drop. So my contract filled, I sold it. I didn't want to get greedy. I took my gains, and it even went down lower. I mean, and it closed the day at 6:07, so I definitely lost out on some gains. The contract would have even got a little bit more money because the stock went down an additional 18 cents at the end of the closing day. So, oh well, like I said, sometimes you don't want to get greedy. You just want to take your profits and, leave. So that's what I did. So still, I'm very happy on my first ever options trading, making a $14 profit, which was basically 227% gain. So that's pretty cool. So, bought it at 11, sold it for 25. That's a pretty good deal in my book. I only had the contract, what is this, July 31st, and I bought it, on the 28th. So, and I bought this at the end of the day of the 28th. You see at 3:45. That was pretty much right at closing. So that was like 15 minutes before the market closed. So I had it the 29th, the 30th, and it sold. So 2.5 days, this contract was basically in effect. Maybe just basically 2 days, and made that money. So if you have a hunch, guys, kind of go for it. Like I said, only invest when what you're willing to lose. Whatever you're willing to lose, I should say. But just wanted to bring this little update to you guys. I was very happy for my first ever options trading, to where I bought a contract, sold it, and made money. because usually they say when you buy options you always lose. So far I'm batting 100%. I'll take that any day. And guys, down below in my description there's a link to my, if you join up on Robinhood using my link up your bank account. We each will get a free stock. I will open up the stock on my channel and show you what I get. And also, please remember to like this video, comment, subscribe. I will respond to all comments down in my comment section. And guys, I will catch you in the next one. And remember, buy the dip.